ASTO is pleased to honor Idaho's Wounded Warriors Transportation Job Training Team with the President's Transportation Award for Administration. Wounded combat veterans often face a new challenge when they return home: unemployment. In 2010, ITD partnered with the FHA and Idaho Department of Labor to initiate a pilot program to provide financial assistance to injured veterans to train for meaningful employment in the transportation field. Funded by a grant under the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, 10 veterans completed the program and continue to serve by contributing their newfound skills to the state's transportation industry. With the success of the pilot program, Idaho is seeking additional grant funding to expand the program. For serving those who have served our country, thanks, team, and congratulations.